Just wanted to show you the state of the eggs that we're collecting at the moment. At least we're getting some. I have 13 laying chooks. There's 7 older ones and 6 newer ones. So this is like a week's worth. I think there's 19 there, which is not hard for us to eat, especially if we're baking cakes, and which Lisa's been doing very well at, I must say. An orange cake sitting up there, and she did lemon cake and chocolate cake, and so really good. But anyway, that's the state of the blooming things. They have to be washed, you know. It's just and look, just soak them a bit, but they have to be washed. There's no way around it because of all this wet weather. They just they're in the mud a lot of the time. There is a dry spot for them, but of course they're out foraging in the mud and picking through whatever they do. And they take it back to the nest, you know, take their feet back to the nest, and it gets all over the eggs. To the laying perches or whatever, you know, so where they lay in my pen. It's quite a way off the ground, probably 4'6". I don't know, still in the old metric, not metric, imperial. But yeah, that's the state of them. So, you know, that's what we've got to do. Just showing you the effects of this wet weather. Today we had a lovely, beautiful sunny day, cloudless. First time in a long time, so we're supposed to, by the weather forecast anyway, get 3 or 4 days of this hopefully, and then the forecast says rain coming back. But you know, I'm always using my powers of belief to keep the rain away. Anyway, you know, dirty eggs, still very edible. You just got to wash them. Finally, I get to rid myself of the lime that hits me on the head every time I walk past it.
So they wait, and when that door opens, man, nobody's ready for it.